Now, even though I'm a huge fan of automations and advanced AI funnels, sometimes we just need to send a quick link so we can get paid and get back to work. So we'll save all those other fancy things for later. And in this guide, go through how to quickly use Go High Level to create a payment link that you can send inside of your DMs, emails, pretty much anywhere. And then I'll show you some more advanced things you can do with creating custom calendar events with payments, as well as custom invoices if you want to get fancy, but we'll start with just creating a simple payment link. Hey, I'm Jason, faith-based entrepreneur. Timestamps and resources below, including a link to today's sponsor, Go High Level. When you join via our link, you'll get a 30-day free trial along with all of our best performing funnel templates. You'll also get access to a live community with live weekly calls so you can ask me strategy or just some tech questions, along with a growing library of templates, tools, and AI agents to help you scale faster in your business. Check that out via the top link in the description. Now, as we dive in here, we're going to kick things off by creating a product. I'll show you all the different payment options you have. Then we'll create our payment link. We can easily share anywhere across our DMs. And then I'll show you if you want to do one-on-one coaching or consulting or send a custom invoice. It's super simple to do all that. And yes, everything we're talking about can connect to more of those advanced funnels and workflows and AI automations, or having a chatbot actually DM people for you and have that conversation and close people. But for now, let's make the link and get paid. So inside of Go High Level, I've gone over here to payments and products. There are a lot of options in here. Every time I try and explain something, it's like there's 30 steps when you feel like there should be 2, but this is going to be relatively simple. So we'll go ahead and click on create product here. And then we can, of course, give our product a name. Now, this can be a digital product where we're selling a course or giving access to a community. It could be a service, or it could just be plain one-on-one consulting, which is the fastest way to go. So I'm just going to call this something really simple, like 90-minute consulting call. Actually, I'll call it a strategy call instead of a consulting call. And then down here, what we want to do, we can skip all this. This is also connected to the e-com store stuff, which is why it feels overwhelming sometimes. But we'll go ahead and say this is a one-time payment, but we can also set this up as a reoccurring payment. So we can create a payment link and have a weekly or monthly fee for our consulting services. Or if we're doing, like, let's say, ongoing ads management, something I used to do a lot. So actually, let's do reoccurring. So this is going to be reoccurring. The amount is going to be $150. And then we can do compare price out. Like, let's say we're giving a discount. I don't really like doing discounts for selling on a discount for a service or consulting, but you can go ahead and put a compare price at. And then we'll say this is going to be a monthly cost. And you can set a trial. This is something I do in our membership site. There's a 30-day free trial. And then we could say number of payments. So here, I'm going to say 3 payments. This is like a 3-month consulting package, right? So actually, I should change this and say 3-month consulting pack, right? There we go. So 3 months of consulting. It's up to you how many calls you want to do for 150. It's probably maybe 2 a month. And then if you want to charge a one-time setup fee, like maybe the first call is going to be an hour or an extra hour or 2, right? So I could say something like $250 for a setup. I like the setup because it stops clients from just continually turning their service on and off. And there's a lot of setup work you have to do anyway. So if we were connecting this to a digital product inside of High Level, I would go ahead and select additional options, membership, and then I could go ahead and choose from all of my digital offers. I'm going to leave that for another guide. Link in the description to a full-blown guide on how to set up your membership inside of High Level and your communities if that's what you want, along with all the funnel stuff. But here, we're going to keep things nice and simple, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. So I've got my 3-month consulting pack offer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit back, and you can see here that that's what we have now. And then I'm going to create my payment link. So to do that, I'm going to click back so you can see I'm still inside payments inside of High Level, and I'll go ahead and click on payment links and create new payment link. And then it'll automatically populate this. The colors, this doesn't look too great because of my colors, but this is pulling from your basic brand settings. So if you don't like these colors, you can go into your account settings and change what your brand colors are. But here, I think this is good enough to go. So at the very top here, you can see we can select our products. Now you can see I have quite a few products. All my products have different pricings as well. And so at the very top, we have our 3-month consulting pack at $150. So you can see here, it's now 3-month consulting pack. It's $150 a month. The setup fee is $250. So there we're going to charge $400 up front. And what's really nice is if you want to add other products to this, you can go and click add a product. Let's say I also want to include our sales funnel launch kit, right? This is probably a bit much for one client, but remember, if you're sharing a link in a DM or an email, you've presumably built a lot of rapport, and so at this point, it's just, hey, grab the link, pay, and then we can continue working together. And so you can also come down here, require a phone number. I typically don't collect the customer address. We don't send out physical stuff, but if you do, then you definitely need the address, right? And then I also leave coupon codes alone because most of the time what I've found is if someone comes to our site or they click on your payment link and they see a coupon code, then they think I'm missing out, right? they're going to reply back to you and be, hey, so do I get a coupon code? But a ninja thing you can do is you can include this, create a coupon code, and then just give the code to anyone you're DMing, and then they feel like they're getting a discount, right? So that's pretty cool. But I'll keep it simple. I don't like juggling coupon codes per se. And then we can actually change the call to action of the button. So we can change it to donate. You can see it's changing over here. We could change it to book. And so if you're doing consulting, like I'm setting up here, book would actually make more sense because they're booking some calls with me. And I'm including a digital product in there just to help with the consulting materials. And so then you'll see this powered by my name, Jason Whaling. You can turn that on or off, or I could go ahead and put my company name in here and just say Act Marketing. And then we can also, if I spell marketing right, whoopsies, and then we can add our terms and conditions. You only have 180 characters. If you need a proper contract for whatever your service is, then you'll want to send that out to people after they pay, just so you make sure you get that signature. High Level can actually cover that in an advanced workflow, but we're keeping things simple. We're keeping things simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and under the payment link, let people know there are no refunds for this service. That's really important if you ever have to deal with credit card companies. No, not giving you legal advice, just a friendly suggestion. So we've got our little payment link here, so we can go ahead and click on Save. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Preview so you can see what the link looks like when someone clicks it. And just like that, in a few minutes, we have a payment link and a simple checkout page. So whenever you're talking to someone and they're ready to do a service or do some coaching with you, this is ready to go. So how we actually share this is we can go ahead and click here, copy send. And this is the link you can copy and paste, share in your DMs or the emails or your emails, and you're off to the races. And so that is all there is to it, to setting up your payment link. Now, if you want to be a little more advanced, or if you have questions, go ahead and comment below. I do my best to read and reply to every single one. And also check out that link to the 30-day free trial, because you can do all of this on the basic plan as well as during your free trial. So you can actually start sending out your links before you start paying. But now that we have our preview all set up, there are two other ways you can go about quickly collecting payments inside of High Level. So the first one is you can actually create a custom booking calendar. So similar to maybe you've seen like Calendly or Book Like a Boss, you can set up a calendar with your schedule. You can actually set a fee for the specific time slot. And so if someone wants to go ahead and choose, like let's say, they're going to meet with me at 1 a.m. for some reason, and then they can go ahead and fill out their basic information, and then they can book the call once the payment's collected. So if you have one-off, like a one-off service or one-off coaching, this is something you could easily set up, and you can share a link to this calendar. And that way you also make sure that people have chosen a time, because one of the most frustrating things as a consultant that I dealt with when I used other systems is people would pay, and then we try and figure out a time to meet, and then they're like, actually, our time zones don't work because you're being a silly digital nomad, Jason, and you're just not available at the 3 hours a day that I need you. And then I have to give them a refund. So what's nice about creating a custom calendar is people can make sure that they actually can commit to a time before they pay you. It just saves you a lot of headache in terms of trying to schedule, especially if you have to deal with time zones. Now, the last one, this is something I wish I had when I was running an agency, is you can quickly create custom invoices. So if you don't have a standard service or package, which I highly recommend you do, link in the description to a full-blown guide on how to start your consulting business. And that actually covers how to create different packages for your business, which is really important and saves you some headache. But if you want to do custom services, you can come in here. I'm still in payments. You can go to all invoices and click new. And you can actually create a invoice from scratch or create a new reoccurring invoice, and you can actually create custom pricing. So I'll just go ahead and click on new invoice so you can see what it looks like. However, the difference here is, let's say we want to create a custom pricing option for one of our services. For some reason, what I just set up isn't working. I'll click on the workflow call. And let's go ahead and add our sales funnel launch kit as well. But let's say for whatever reason, we want to charge them $300 for this because we're going to be doing some custom work, and this is going to be, $750, right? So this way you can still have your set of products or services. But if you're talking one-on-one with prospects, they probably ask for something extra. And so you can go ahead and say, oh yeah, sure, we can do that. And you just tack on a little more to your price because the project's going to be a little bigger. So that's all there is to it, to creating your payment links inside of High Level. And again, once you create the link, you can go ahead and share it. This is exactly what people are going to see. And so with that, you are all set to start sharing your payment links via DMs and emails or wherever else you're talking with prospective clients or customers. Make sure you check out that link at the top of the description to a 30-day free trial of Go High Level. You'll get all of our best performing funnel templates. You'll get access to a private community to ask me questions directly. I don't outsource it to anyone on our team, and as well as a growing library of templates, tools, and AI agents to help you be more successful in your business and build so much faster. So thank you so much for watching. Check out that link at the top of the description. And until the next, keep building the business you love.